Hi guys! Few days ago we picked some package. You guys, I can know that it's hard to get a package when you're living in a van, but we never unboxed it yet. So we're gonna show what it is, but I'm gonna wait for Mark to come here because he doesn't know what is inside really, So I gotta wait for Mark. Hello.
Hello.
How are you doing? Oh,
I'm good. Are you filming?
yeah.
Oh yeah, we're gonna open this, huh?
Yeah. Should we do it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay. Do you want to be on her or do I want
No,
to?
you go ahead.
Let's see.
First time.
Translator earbuds.
By Timekettle.
Okay. Oh my god, that's so cute. I will pull out. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
Oh, it's
that's
tiny.
so cute. What the heck? Oh my god, look at that.
Oh, it's nice.
Oh, that's quite cool. It's so comfy. Bee. We got stung before.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Disaster averted.
Yeah, that is always we go through, right?
Is there anything else in the box?
There's the USB charger,
Nice.
and there you go.
The over ear thing.
Yeah.
Like when you're exercising or something.
So this is a translator, right?
Yeah. They look like earbuds, like you would listen to music.
Yeah. So if you guys might know, I'm Korean and Mark is a Korean American. When we talk each other, mostly we talk in English. But I think with this one, I can argue with him in Korean because I'm better to speaking in Korean, I don't need to translate. We just open it and we gotta figure it out how to use it. It just take a little bit of minutes, so let me try to figure it out. I gotta push the button. It says to connect it. There's a several mode. It says simul mode, which is, and you put on your ear, and then you don't need to look at the screen or anything. Just listening mode is a place of mobile phone microphone close to the speaker and wear the earbud to listen to the translation.
All right, so everything's set up.
Yeah.
So when you pull them out, they flash green.
Yeah,
huh?
green like that. Do you want to go right or left?
Doesn't matter.
Okay. So
Alright.
I'm gonna put it in.
Yeah. Okay, so should we try simple mode?
Yeah.
All right, ready?
You first, okay?
Hello, Lucy. What, did you hear something?
들린다.
Oh. What? So we're gonna test this, right? So, what should we talk about?
Oh, I think Olympic.
Oh yeah, Olympics are
Yeah.
just finishing now,
Yeah,
right? So let's talk about the Olympics,
Uh-huh.
and then we'll see how accurate. What did you think about the Olympics?
올림픽 오프닝 하는 거 너무 재밌었는데 니는?
I agree 100%. I was so impressed with the opening ceremony because it was nothing like we'd ever seen any other Olympic do before. Usually it's just the opening ceremony is in a big stadium, but this Olympics was really different.
아, 신기하다.
Let's go ahead and check, see how it did, okay?
Let's
Oh wow,
see.
everything's like, okay, I need to get this camera out so I can see better.
Oh, it disappeared.
Okay, so anyways, Lucy accidentally lost her screen, but what did you think of the translation?
I think like
Oh, B.
oh,
B, get out, B.
oh.
Okay, it's out.
Some certain language translate to Korean. Always I receive broken Korean. So even written in Korean or speaking Korean, I never understand it, right? But this one, I understand. That's amazing. It's quite impressive. I don't know, you?
Yeah, for me, I think like it was pretty accurate. We want to go into listening mode, right? I can try to listen to it, and you can speak Korean, okay?
그럼 이제 얘기를 해볼게. 넌 듣기만 해, 알겠어? 내가 요즘에 관심 있어 하는 분야는 환경 문제인데. So what do you think about like listening mode? Do you think you're gonna use it often or something like that?
You know what? One thing I think you could use that for?
What is that? I know what you're gonna talk about.
Watching a YouTube video or a movie or something.
Yeah,
Possible,
right. Or TV. That's a good idea. Right. Now we like opened another media that we can approach.
Yeah.
That's
Okay,
brilliant.
cool.
We test the several mode here. It's quite interesting, and I found the app, and they're calling AI. This AI is a thing, right? Oh, language tutor. Okay, this time to improve my English and then get better and then talk you guys easier. Let's see.
Yes, I enjoy playing the guitar.
Huh?
It's a great way to relax and express myself.
Okay, I think I figured it out. I never played a guitar, so I don't know I'm good at it or not.
Great effort. Try saying, I've never played the guitar, so I don't know if I'm good at it or not.
They fixed my grammar. I think that's pretty cool, giving me a good instructions. So guys, we tried both Timekettle and the Google Translator. Actually, before, we always rely on the Google Translator. When we go to some country that we don't speak, their languages. So one thing I like about it, we don't need to look at the screen all the time. So it's like, with this, I can communicate with the locals eye to eye. That's what I miss about a lot. Another thing is like your friends is driving and then you don't speak their languages. It's like hands-free, like you can put on your ear and then talk like a normal, stuff that in different languages.
So you've tried this? What'd you think?
It's really nice. Some people cannot speak like English or like for example my mom, she cannot speak English
And she travels a lot.
Yeah, and then she hates it like because she's always a leftover person that she never be in the conversations. So left out, not leftover.
Left out person.
Yeah, left out person. My mom is not food.
Yeah, I can see a lot of uses for this. For example, when we were in Morocco, I had so many conversations with Saeed using Google Translate. We would have to say each thing sometimes like 3 or 4 times because they would stop in the middle of the translation. But with something like this, it would have been so much easier. Right?
Things to do. Oh, another bee.
What's up with these bees today?
Van life, right?
That's van life.
That is a van life, guys.
So if they want to find out more about this, what can they do?
They can check on the description, and a bit more travel comes right in our video.
Yeah, more travel coming up.
Yeah.
Okay. See you guys.
See ya. Bye-bye. Bye.